In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code for Microsoft Windows 10. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing you do, open up your web browser of choice. Then navigate to code.visualstudio.com. Go ahead and click the download button. It'll take a moment for the prompt to show up for you to download. Go ahead and download it to your downloads folder. And depending on your internet speed, it may take a minute or two. Let's go ahead and open the installer. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder and double click on the application to perform the setup. Go ahead and accept the agreement, and then just follow the prompts from here. If you want to, you can go ahead and create a desktop icon, and then finally click install. It takes a minute or two to install Visual Studio Code, depending on the speed of your computer. In this case, this is kind of an older computer, so it takes a little longer than probably something that's brand new, but it's not too bad. All right, now make sure that Launch Visual Studio Code is checked, and then go ahead and click Finish. And if all goes well, you should see the welcome page for Visual Studio Code, the welcome screen here. And that's it. That's all there is to it, to install Visual Studio Code. And the next video in this series will be adding plugins for the programming languages.